Temu currently does not offer a direct integration to transfer money directly to CashApp. However, you can still link your Temu earnings or savings into CashApp through a few steps. Here's how you can manage the process. Earn on Temu. Complete orders, receive payouts, and build your balance on Temu. Temu allows users to earn through promotions, cashback, or referral programs. Link your bank account or debit card. Temu provides options to withdraw your earnings to your bank account or linked debit card. Ensure your payment method is set up for withdrawals. Withdrawal to bank. Navigate to your Temu profile, go to Wallet or Earnings, and select the option to withdraw your funds. Choose Bank Transfer and enter your bank details or linked card. Link bank account to CashApp. Once you've successfully withdrawn to your bank account, you can transfer that money into CashApp. Open CashApp, go to the Banking tab, and add your bank account. Transfer funds. Transfer the money from your bank account linked with CashApp into your CashApp balance. The funds should reflect instantly or within a few business days, depending on your bank's processing time. Use funds on CashApp. Once the money is in CashApp, you can easily use it for payments, peer-to-peer transfers, or investing.